Yeah, she's really leaning. I mean, it's better than what you had there.
Sure is better
And if
than
you
what I
want to
had.
get some, probably a 2x4. You don't have any 2x4s, huh?
No.
Because if I put it underneath the base, it's going to be too much. Unless you want to get a 2x4.
Or just try to level that.
I would stick it underneath because I'm kind of like on the edge with my blocks. You want to
Yeah.
go take a look?
Yeah.
Go take a look how it is. It's not underneath. See how?
Oh yeah, I see what you.
See, they're on the edge.
Yeah,
It's square. But if you got a 2x4 on the flat and put it underneath,
Yeah.
just to take up that space, and you could take the blocks out.
Yeah. Got it. Okay.
I mean, let me check the charge on it. I did hose it off.
Yep.
I did give it a good hose, and we could start it up and check it and see how it runs. I wonder what we got here. It's a 22 unit. It's our 22. Or at least it's better, right?
Oh, 1,000 times better.
All right, let me go. Let's go turn it on. You don't know how to do it?
No idea.
All right. Oh,
That's all right.
that thing really belongs up top. Usually they have it up top, right?
Yeah.
Either way.
I'll get that fixed. I got a list that I am putting together.
All right. It's not a bad. Oh my God, you got a nest.
Yeah, is that bad?
Not good. Off. Not looking bad at all, actually.
Yeah.
We got 62 on the suction, 25 on the superheat. Our subcooling's at 13, which doesn't look bad. R22.
And what's it supposed to be at?
Right about there.
Yeah.
I mean, that's good for today. 25 on the superheat. And we did clean the. Oh, I lost my sensor. Might need a new battery. Oh, there it. I can't go too far away. We did clean the coil with the hose, right?
Yes.
.67 on the suction. That's fine right there. So the charge is fine. You're gonna feel it's gonna start getting warm. Don't forget we hit it with the garden hose.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep. Yep.
Alright, so I put 2 new caps on there because they were leaking, but I couldn't get it out and it stopped leaking. I mean, at least it looks level now. Doesn't it? You gonna get the 2x4?
Yeah.
Are you good like that?
Yeah, I've got family who are in the area, so they can talk about
I mean, them bricks would probably be fine on there, but it's kind of sitting on the edge. I think the base is all this. It's all the same though. I don't think it really. I'd like to get something under here though.
Yeah. Yeah, be able to have more,
You can get some of these bricks like this. They're only 1 inch thick,
yeah.
and you could probably slide a couple of them. You can get them at Home Depot.
Oh, yeah?
They're like this, but they're thinner.
Thinner.
I mean, you could do that yourself.
Yeah.